If you don't know what ChatGPT is by now, simply put, it's a chat-based AI which is used to follow instructions in a prompt and provide detailed responses. The platform is currently in a research preview, and since its release, it's had over 1 million users. A lot of persons has been exploring how it can be used to increase their successes, as well as you have a few unscrupulous persons trying to see how they can use it for destructive means. In this video, we will look at how we can benefit from the platform and some of the dangers that come with a platform like this. So, immediately after signing up for this platform, you are greeted with three messages. Message 1 states the goal of the platform and one of its major weaknesses or downfalls. Message 2 basically outlines the lack of privacy that comes with using the platform, hence you are advised not to share sensitive information. And message 3 is simply requesting your feedback. Then on the home page, it outlines some of its capabilities and limitations. So I believe this was done to not only safeguard the users, but to also safeguard themselves from anyone who decides to misuse the platform. So, this being an AI that has been given high praises so far, I wanted to know what it thinks of itself, or rather, what data it would be allowed to share with us. So, I asked ChatGPT three questions. I will share the results of that with you. Then, immediately after, I will share what I think are the real or major benefits and dangers of the platform. First, I asked it, what are the benefits of ChatGPT? And here is the results for that. It outlines some of the benefits of using ChatGPT in a chat application, which includes improved conversation quality, increased efficiency, customization, and scalability. I was not satisfied with this response, so I re-asked the question and the results were different. This time it outlined that it can be fine-tuned for a variety of language tasks, including translation and summarization and question answering. It can generate coherent and diverse text, making it useful for generating content. It can be used to improve the performance of other natural language processing models. These answers were better, but based on my experience, there are a lot more benefits that can be gained from using this platform. However, I surmise that if you probe further and ask more questions, a lot more benefits would be displayed by the platform. So I went ahead to ask the next question. What are the dangers of using ChatGPT? It basically stated that it can be misused for malicious purposes such as spreading misinformation or impersonating someone. It has the possibility of reflecting biased data and information, and it is not suited for certain tasks because it does not interpret words the same way humans do. It always reminds you to use the platform responsibly. The last question was, what are the problems people have encountered with ChatGPT? The problems it outlined includes bias and unfairness, misuse and abuse, lack of context and understanding, and legal and ethical issues. The funny thing about this response is that it made it very clear that these problems are common among language generation models like ChatGPT. In essence, they are not the only ones with these problems. So, one of the major benefits that I observed about this platform is that it can cut the time spent on doing certain tasks in half or even more, based on its ability to gather data. Just be mindful that it may provide biased or misinformation. This is also a great tool for programmers because it can generate simple codes, so there is less time needed. You don't have to start coding from scratch or conduct hours of research trying to find codes. The next major benefit is that it can be a creative learning tool because you can ask it probing questions to understand a particular topic better. Just be mindful that some information shared may be incorrect. Now, the major dangers with this platform lies with one, the privacy of the information shared, which it does inform us that researchers will have access to whatever data you put on the platform. So if you are not careful, you can jeopardize yourself or someone else. Two, it will have a major impact on the education systems across the world. The platform has the capability of writing essays, solving math equations, and answering various questions. They might as well call the platform a homework central because students will be flocking this website just to get their homework done. Because why will any student do a math equation on their own when they know that the platform is there? They can just go ahead, type in the information, and the equations are solved right there and then. Three, once this AI is fully up and running, there's a high probability that there will be job losses, and some persons are already concerned about this. My advice is that if you are in a field that this platform may affect, for example, customer service representative, start building yourself from now. You might need to venture into a new occupation or become an entrepreneur. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more great content.